Hey everybody, today we're going to dig a little bit deeper into pitch and we're going to talk about flats. A flat sign in music looks like this. This flat sign can be placed in front of any pitch on any line or any space of any staff. Doesn't matter if it's a treble clef staff or a bass clef staff or whatever. That flat can be added to any pitch on any line or any space of any staff. What this flat sign does is it lowers the tone, lowers the sound of our pitch by what is measured as 1/2 step. Here's an example of the pitch B. This is the B that is represented on the middle line of a treble clef staff. Now, if we place a flat in front of that note, it alters the pitch. It lowers it. The same way if you were to flatten a tire, it would lower. Pitches when they flatten become lower. Here is a B flat. Now we'll listen to these two pitches back to back. First the B, which is termed B natural, and then B flat. Now this flat sign again can be added to any note, any pitch in any line or space of the staff. The difference between a natural note, that is a note that does not have a flat sign in front of it, and a note that does have a flat sign in front of it, again, is 1/2 step. It's important to note here that the flat sign itself always occurs before the note on the written page of music, never after the note. This is correct. This is incorrect. The main purpose of this flat sign is that it gives us an additional pitch in between certain letters in our musical alphabet. Here is the pitch B natural. Here is the pitch A. A, of course, is lower than B natural. The B flat is a note that slides directly in between those two pitches. It's lower than the B, but still higher than the A. For the homework that accompanies this video today, I want you to take the attached sheet of music and hand write in a flat sign for every B on that entire sheet. If you see the pitch of a B on the middle line of that treble clef staff, I want you to hand write a flat in front of that note. Good luck.